Hello everyone, move your bunch to the top and have a beautiful hairpin attached from the bottom of the rubber band and move to the top and secure there. With the remaining tail we have comb it, have a rubber band attached to the middle part and bend the tip down, secure to the last lip of the rubber band and bend the lump downwards by having a little hairpin through it. Then stretch the bun for more volume. Grab the entire top section of the hair, split them into 3 parts and have it braid down to the midway, secure with the rubber band. Grab the entire back section of the hair and move to the front and tie with the rubber band and drop the tail into its own loop, making a twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair, make it into a braid and make it flat and fold the innerwards and make it into top and have it in place by dropping a little hair band around it. Get the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop the tail into its own loop, making a twisted band. The remaining section of the hair, along with the tail we have it as a ponytail, have a rubber band attach the middle part and bend the tail forward, attach it to the last loop of the rubber band and stuff the tail along with the lump into the middle one, making as a bun and move the entire bun to the top and have in place by dropping beautiful hairpin. Make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair with the last loop of the rubber band, create a lump at the bottom and loosen the rubber band a little bit down and create a gap behind it using a finger. Drop the entire excess part of the tail along with the lump into it and make it hidden by moving the excess hair over that and have it in place by dropping beautiful hairband around that and adjust the shape. Make a ponytail and create a gap underneath that using both of your thumb and make the ponytail go from bottom to top and have it come down and comb it a little bit and have a rubber band attach the middle part of it, bend the tail over, stuff it inside the middle one, making it completely hidden out of sight and make the hairstyle in place and drop in beautiful hair cluster around that. Make a ponytail and have a rubber band attach the top middle part of it and pinch out the hair in that one, making it into a bulbous manner. So do the same for the remaining part of the tail as well. And with the last part, have a rubber band and create a gap and drop the tail into it and have it as a bell shape by securing it the last loop of the rubber band. Make a ponytail and loosen the rubber band a little bit down and create a gap behind it using a finger. Drop the entire tail into it, make it come down, have a rubber band attach the middle part of it and bend the tip over, stuff it to the last lip of the rubber band and stuff the tail into the middle one, stretch the middle one and move the entire tail to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hair clutch around it. Stretch the bun for volume. Fix a 3-in-1 hair clutcher horizontally to your hair in the middle and grab a right section of the hair and twist it and attach it to the second clutcher. Grab a left section of the hair and attach it to the second clutcher itself. Grab another section of the hair from the right side, right below the first one and attach it to the third clutcher and the left one goes to the first clutcher itself. Have a bunch on the top section of the hair and insert a 3-in-1 hair clutcher vertically to your rubber band and grab a strip of the hair from the right side near to the bunch we have and twist it and drop it into the first clutcher and the left section goes to the first clutcher itself. So do the same vice versa for the remaining clutches and leave the remaining hair as such. We made a very simple hairstyle. Insert a very long bun maker behind your ponytail vertically and twist the entire tail against it, making it completely hidden and have the end secure with the rubber band. Then after that, roll the braid into a clockwise direction, making it as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun we just now created. Have the whole bun in place by moving the pretty tip to the left side. Choose a lovely toothed hair clutcher and make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and twist the entire ponytail onto one of its tooth, making it as a bun and hide the excess tail underneath the bun we just now created. And have the whole bun in place by dropping the toothed hair clutcher on the right side and have it closed. Once again, go for a toothed hair clutcher and twist the entire hair against your index finger, making it as a lovely hair roll and pinch out the hair a little bit at the top, making it into a little loop and hide excess hair behind the hair roll we have and have the whole hair roll in place by dropping the toothed hair clutcher around that. Go for a ponytail and twist the entire tail and make it roll in a clockwise direction, making it as a bun and hide the tip, you know where it goes, underneath the bun we created. Have the whole one in place by dropping a beautiful rubber band around it. Then to decorate your hairstyle, drop in a lovely hairband that has fake messy hair around that. Thank you everyone for watching this video.